Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video I'll be doing a speed test between OPPO A3s and the Redmi 6 Pro. Now these are the specifications and these are the benchmark scores. Now for the speed test, I'll open all 20 applications in a single go and you can see which phone opens up faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. In the speed test, as expected, Redmi 6 Pro was faster than OPPO A3s. Now for the gaming speed test, I'll open the last 8 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. While opening games, once again Redmi 6 Pro was faster as it has raw performance and additional RAM. Now for the memory management test, as OPPO A3s has just 2GB of RAM, I will reopen the first 8 applications and then open them in the reverse order to see which of these apps are still in memory. If an application is still in memory, it will open instantly in a split second, or else you'll probably see a blank screen for a few seconds. In the memory management round, once again Redmi 6 Pro performed better than OPPO A3s because of additional RAM. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.